Hi, welcome. In this session, let us talk about the Git Log command. It's one of the highly used command in Git.
I'm Kumar and welcome to my channel on tech and tutorials.
The Git Log command will actually display the committed snapshots, and it mostly works on the repository area.
It lets you list the project history, filter it, and search for specific changes or whatever is in the committed message. You can scroll and you can look into all those history of that file. So let us go ahead and see the git log command. If you type git log, you are going to see all the committed history for this project here. So this was the last commit here. This was the last commit which we did in our previous git diff section, updated git diff checker, and it will print in the reverse chronological order, and you have to press the space bar in your keyboard to see the next file, and you have to press Q to exit out from the git log command. So most of the time people don't want to see all the commits because it will be very huge and it will start from the first commit. So there are a lot of options with Git. One of them is git log minus the count of the commits which you want to see, and if I provide -1, it's going to give me the last commit here, the latest last commit in here. This was the last commit, and similarly you can do 2, 3 or whatever. So there's the last 3 commits which you are seeing in here. Also there is option called one line, which you will see one line of each of the commit. It will include the commit ID and the commit message. So this was the last commit message, and our head is pointing to the master. This is an useful information in here, and it will print out all the commit messages in here. If you want to see the file only for that particular file, for example, I have been working with the git diff check only for the last 2 commits here. If you see here, git diff checker 2 times. So I want to see only for that commit messages, so I can do this, and you will see only 2 commits, which was the last 2 commits for the git diff. If you want to see only for the syllabus also, you can do the same thing here, git log syllabus, and you should see only for the commit message only for the syllabus.txt file. Also there are a lot of other options like date. You can provide git log dash after, say yesterday, and you should see only messages which are done since yesterday, commit messages which are done since yesterday. You can provide the date also here. Instead of providing yesterday, today, something like that, you can provide date like 2020 04 and 20, and it should give you the output as well. You can also provide author equals to KSS, and I should see all the commit messages by this name. This is helpful in case if you are working in a big development team and a lot of people are committing and working on the same repository. So there is another option called git short log, which is actually summarize the git log output in a format which based on the author or committer name. You do a git short log and hit enter here. You will see all the commits grouped by the committer. Right now we have only one committer here, KSS, and you will see all the commits in this name. If you had multiple committer, you would have seen all the commits. There are other options like graph, stat, and then decorate and all such.
So that's all in this session. Thank you so much.